A young couple just moved into their first home, excited but on a budget. They head to a furniture store to furnish their kitchen and wardrobe. They find sleek modern pieces that just look like solid wood, but at half the price. Curious, they ask the store owner, "Is this made from plywood?" The owner smiles and says, "No, this particle wood, cheaper, lighter, and great for modular furniture." This simple question, this simple answer opens up a big question. What exactly is particle board and how is it different from other wood panels like plywood or blockboard? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into basic of wooden particle board, a type of engineered wood. If you are into woodworking, furniture making or just curious about the similarity and differences between various wood panel boards, this is a must watch. Before we begin, please note that this video focuses on wooden panel boards and their consumers. We won't be covering the technical details of particle board manufacturing. Now let's get started. What are particle boards? Wooden particle boards, also known as chipboard, are exactly what their name suggests. They are made from wood chips or particles. Wood is grounded into fibers and chips, which are then formed into boards using chemicals, resins, and high pressing to achieve and desired density. Traditional plywood and solid wood panels are typically made from plantation or forest trees aged between 7 to 15 years. However, only about 70% of the wood from logs is utilized in their process, with the remaining 30% going to waste. Additionally, wood waste from sawmills or used furniture can be repurposed to create chips for particle board production. Particle boards maximize wood uses since they don't require solid wood pieces or veneers. This means tree age doesn't matter as much. Instead, fast growing plantation trees aged between 3 to 5 years are primarily used. The production of particle boards began around 1930s and gained popularity by 1950s. It was developed to reduce wood waste and make better use of available resources. Particle boards are essentially layered boards. The core consists of larger wood flakes, which reduce density and minimize wood uses. The top and bottom layers are made of finer fibers or chips, providing a smoother surface finish and higher density. Particle board manufacturing process, let's understand by a simple flowchart. First of all, it's a log sourcing. Trees are harvested or recycled wood produced are used. Debarking, the bark is removed using machines. Logs are chopped into smaller wood chips. Chips are cleaned to remove impurities. Chips are broken down into fine fibers. Further segregation is done. Finer chips are used for the top and bottom layers, while larger flakes for the core. Fibers are dried to reduce moisture. Resins is mixed with the fibers. The mixture is layered for pressing. The layering process consists of three parts: bottom, that is a finer chips; core, that is a larger chips; and top, again the finer chips. Heat and pressure transform the metal into a solid boards. Boards are cut to standard sizes. The boards are cooled to stabilize them. The surface is smoothed for further processing. And boards are stored, shipped, or sent for the melamine coating. A typical particle board consists of 80 to 85% of wood fibers, while the remaining components being water, wax, and resins. The density of particle board typically ranges between 500 kg per cubic meter to 750 kg per cubic meter, depending on their intended use. Nowadays, a higher density particle board exceeding 800 kg per cubic meter are also manufactured for high quality of furniture. Density, measured in kg per cubic meter, directly impacts the board's weight and strength. Key properties of particle boards. First, uniform density. The density is evenly distributed, ensuring consistent strength and performance. However, the core has a lower density than the top and the bottom layers. A smooth surface, ideal for laminate, veneer, and paint application due to its fine textures. Precision and calibration. Since particle board are machine made, they have consistent thickness across the board. Porous natures. Particle board tend to absorb moisture, which can lead to swelling if not properly sealed. Let's talk about typical application of particle board. The most is furniture, storage or office furniture, school furniture, packaging, low cost packaging, filler material for the door materials. There is another type of particle board known as Oriental Strand Board (OSB). We will cover that in our future video. We hope this video helped you understand the basic of particle board. In upcoming video and blogs, we will explore different type applications and comparison between other wood products. If you found this information useful, do not forget to like this video, drop a comment with your questions or suggestions for future topic, share it with your fellow woodworking persons, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss any updates. Finally, thanks for watching and we'll see you in next video. Thank you.